YouTube. How are you? I'm okay. I just got back from my dad's house. I drove, which was fun because the road's like all bendy and curvy, which was interesting because I almost hit roadkill and I had to pass somebody, which is like a first, which is crazy. Yeah, that's about it. I bought my bench sweater, as you can see. It says bench right here, and the hood's not all stupid. It's actually like a normal hoodie, which is cool. And it says bench right across the back too, right here-ish, which is awesome. Yeah, my weekend wasn't that bad. Just chilling out with my dad and my brothers were there, and unfortunately my brother's girlfriend Chelsea, who is ditzier than Barbie almost. Yeah, I can't stand her. She was so drunk and she got mad at Kyle, and Kyle and her started fighting, and then she left with a friend. That was great. So I've been watching South Park all day long and The Office, which is a weird mix of comedy, but I both find them hilarious, and it was pretty sweet. Yeah, that's my weekend. I apologize for not making a video on Friday. My bus gets here at 4, and my dad was going to be here at 4:30, but he came at like 4:15, so I only had time to pack. That was my impression of a clock hand. Didn't work too well, but that's okay. Yeah, nothing too new. I'm going to go work on some homework right now. I have 2 miniature journals to write, and then for the week after, that's due Wednesday, and then the week after that is when my big essay is due at 1,750 words. That shouldn't take me very long. Yeah, that's my weekend. I don't know what I'm playing tonight or on Tuesday. I have the night off work on Tuesday, which I'm really psyched about. Yeah, that is about it. So I will see you later, YouTube, and bye everybody.